Hi children, welcome to Edu Cub. Today we are with the fourth lesson from grade 7 science, functions of water. Our first subtopic is water as a solvent. You already know that seawater has a salty taste. Do you know the reason for this taste? It is because many salts are dissolved in seawater. All living beings need oxygen to breathe. How do fish get oxygen to breathe in water? They use oxygen that is dissolved in water. So we can conclude that water acts as a solvent. All about discussed phenomena are connected with this special function of water. Let's find out how water is important as a solvent. I have taken some substances like white sugar, salt, condensed crystals, coconut oil, kerosene, laundry glue, and paraffin wax. Then I have dissolved it with water. You can see most of above substances dissolved in water. Most of above substances dissolve in water, but some dissolve a little and some do not dissolve in water. Through this activity, you can examine how some solid and liquid dissolve in water, but you didn't see how gases dissolve in water. Let's see, do gases dissolve in water? Yes, the gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide are soluble in water. Fish use oxygen dissolved in water for respiration. Let's see some instances where water is important as solvent in our day-to-day life. First one, to make drinks by dissolving sugar, colorings and flavors in water. To dissolve salt and flavors to make food tasty. To dissolve concentrated acid in water to prepare battery acid, artificial vinegar like that. To dissolve medicine in water. To produce vaccines and saline for purposes of health. Aquatic animals use oxygen that is dissolved in water to breathe. To remove dirt on clothes and body. Use colored water for decorating purposes. Let's discuss the uses of separating materials dissolved in water. First one, different types of salt of minerals are dissolved in water when rivers, streams, and waterways are flowing towards the sea. When this happens for a long period of time, seawater becomes salty. Sodium chloride is the mineral salt that dissolves in most of the seawater. Salt is produced from seawater by evaporating water exposed into solar heat. The juice in sugar cane contains sucrose dissolved in water. Sugar is produced by removing the water in sugar cane. A sugary solution can be extracted from the coconut flour, which is known as sweet toddy. Treacle can be produced by removing some amount of water from the sweet toddy. If water is totally removed from sweet toddy, jaggery can be produced. Jaggery and treacle can also be produced from palmyra and ketul tree. Our next subtopic is water as coolant. Water can bear a large amount of heat. It absorbs the heat and reduces the heat of objects. Because of this feature, water is considered as a good coolant. Let's discuss the uses of coolant property of water. The energy generated by burning fuel helps the vehicle to run. At this process of burning fuel, the engine of the vehicle gets heated a lot and stop functioning. The heat of the engine is absorbed by water or by coolant in the radiator and prevents the engine from faltering due to the overheat. Next one. Water is used as coolant in factories to avoid overheating of machines while operating. Our next subtopic is water as medium of life. Can fish live out of water? We have already discussed about it. It will die in a few minutes if it is taken out of the water. Fish use oxygen dissolved in water for respiration. When water passes through their gills, oxygen enters to the blood. Fish cannot obtain oxygen if there is no water. Lot of fish die during a drought period because they cannot get oxygen without water. Many aquatic organisms use water as their living environment. That means habitat. Let's see some examples. Fish, tilapia, tuna, amphibian, cod, reptile, water snake, turtle, mammals, dolphin, whale. During the winter season, although the surface water gets frozen, water remains in liquid state under the ice layer, so that fish can survive without any harm during the winter. But some people break these ice layer and do fishing during this season. Water acts as the medium of biological activities taking place in all living beings which live in water and land. Let's see some another example. Digestion of food and producing energy through reaction of glucose and oxygen and many other chemical reactions take place in medium of water. The nutrition absorbed to the body after the digestion of food are transported to the cells by dissolving in blood. So this process too takes place in medium of water. Vitamins, minerals, medicine are transported through our body by using medium of water in blood. The excretory materials such as urea produced in our cells are transported through excretory organs with help of the blood. Therefore, it is obvious that water plays the major role in extension of life. This is what we have to discuss throughout the fourth lesson, functions of water. Let's meet with another new video as it then basis. Thank you.